Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox not launching on laptop or PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Task Manager and then look for Roblox tasks here. And if you find some Roblox tasks here, end all the tasks, and after that relaunch the game. Look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, press Windows and I key or simply write run. And then here you need to write %local app data %. Here you need to look for Roblox folder, and then just need to delete that particular folder. And after that, look if the problem persists. Don't worry, it won't delete any of your saves or whatsoever. Super convenient, fast, and no harm. Then what you need to do here is to go to installed apps if it's not working, and depending from where you have the Roblox. If you have a Roblox player here, from Windows PC, you just need to, for Microsoft Store, you just need to here like this, go to advanced options, and then you need to press terminate, repair, reset, and look if the problem persists. And if you have Roblox from website, so you just need to go to a Roblox here, Roblox player, uninstall, and uninstall Roblox from your PC. Like this. Then what we need to do here, open up browser and then just need to go to roblox.com/download and download for Windows. Save it to your desktop, Roblox installer, and then install Roblox here. And let's install Roblox and you will see that now it's working. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. Now, as you can see here, Roblox player is installed. And as you can see here, Roblox is working, but I need to sign in with my account. And after I sign in and go, for example, to some sort of experience, here you can see that it should work. So let's wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see here, it's working. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.